Hello everyone! The big question is it possible to improve the quality of an image with one button? If a photo didn't expose well, and you don't have a better exposed version, the post-process can take quite a lot of time. The exposure, tones, noise reduction, etc. should be corrected. You should try to expose the best possible photo when shooting. So, is it possible to improve the quality of an image with one button? Well, the PhotoDirector tried to implement such feature. Let's see how it works. This feature what I'm going to present you is currently only available in the subscription version of Cyberlink PhotoDirector. Enter into adjustment mode and expand the global adjustment tools section. This first tool is the automatic color enhancement. This is the tool what can automatically adjust the brightness, contrast and saturation in the selected photo to brighten and enhance its colors. Let's see. The improvement in the photo quality is immediately visible. I switch to side-by-side comparison to make the difference more obvious. Do you see? There is only one slider here that can help me to increase the effect strength. I change it to 100%. The enhanced photo looks very good. Close the dialog. If you want to change the settings on auto color enhancement, just click on this little plus icon. To re-enter the auto color enhancement window to readjust the strength of the adjustment. Just change the slider position and verify the changes. Finally, if we decide that we don't want to keep the changes, we can reset it with this little back icon here. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next time. Bye!